Hello guys, welcome to our Python Bootcamp series. So here I am going to teach you Lambda function. Okay. So what is the Lambda function? Lambda function are small anonymous function defined using a Lambda keywords. Okay. They can have any number of argument, only one expression. They are commonly used for short operation or argument. Wait a minute. So here I am going to teach you lambda function. What is lambda function? Lambda function are small anonymous function. Anonymous means they don't have any name. Okay. So lambda function use uh, anonymous function or it define using the lambda keywords. Okay. They can have any number of argument but only one expression. They are commonly used for short operation or as argument to higher order function. Okay, anonymous fee means they don't have any name. Okay, now I am going to share my screen with you. So here we can see syntax and what is the lambda and how to write code for lambda function, and we can see operation of lambda function. Okay, so here you need to check syntax. So here I'm going to write syntax of lambda function. So I need to define lambda function by using lambda keyword. And here this is the arguments, and this is the ex, expression. Okay. Okay, so this is the syntax of lambda function. Okay, this one. Now I am going to define one function by using lambda without lambda. Okay, so here df addition, I'm going to add two numbers a comma b. Okay, then I'm going to return a plus b. Okay, so this function are used for adding two number. Okay, I haven't called this function, that's why it is not displaying anything here. If you call this, you got, oh, I got error because I need to pass number here, because a I need to pass value of a and b, so I got 7. Okay, here you can see. Now we can write another code here, addition with the help of lambda. Okay, so here I am going to add two number and the variable name addition. Addition equals to lambda a comma b colon a plus b. Okay, so here I am going to add two numbers. Okay, this is for lambda. Okay, because I am going to use lambda, so that's why I need to write lambda here. Okay, this is the syntax: lambda, an argument, and expression. Okay, and this is the lambda, and this is the argument, and these are the expression. Okay, here you can see lambda, arguments, column, and expression. Okay, lambda, argument, that is a and b, and expression. Okay, now I am going to check its type. T y p, type of addition. Okay, so it is saying like it is a function. Okay, now I am going to print addition, and here I am going to pass number. Okay, so I got 11. Okay, so here I am going to add 5 and 6. This is the variable name addition. Okay, here print 5. So here you can see a equals to 5 and b equals to 6, and in expression we need to add here 5 plus 6, I got 11. Okay, now we can move here. I need to delete it. Okay, I need to clear everything. Now I am going to rerun it again. Okay, so here I'm going to define one function. I'm going to calculate even number. Okay, so without lambda I am going to calculate even number like this. Even equals to, sorry, inside the even function I'm going to pass even. I'm going to pass number. Okay, if this number number divided by 2 and I got 0 as a reminder, then it will return true. Okay, so here you can see if this is the function even. Okay, here this is the argument parameter. Okay, if number is divided by 2 and we got 0 in reminder, then it will return true. Okay, here I'm just going to call the this function even. I am going to pass 32. Okay, this is true. This is the even number. You can check here 32 divided by 2 and you got 0. Yes, this is true. Okay, then it will print 32. Now with the help of lambda you can find out even number like this. Even I'm giving variable name even 1. Okay, so here you need to write lambda. After this you need to write what parameters: lambda, argument and expression. Lambda, argument, number, that is number. Okay, anyway number, and here in expression I need to write number divided by 2 and I got 0. If I got 0 here, then it will be even number. So if I'm going to call this function even 1, so what I got here, syntax error. Let me check. Okay, I don't need colon here. I'm going to rerun again. Okay, so I got true. 12 is even number. Okay, now you can see addition 1. Okay, this is the another variable here, lambda, and these are the arguments x comma y comma z. And okay, and this is the expression. I'm going to add these three elements x plus y plus z. Okay, so in addition 1 I'm going to pass x equals to 12, y equals to 13 and z equals to 14. Okay, so here I got 39 in output. Okay, now you can see we have number in list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, so I'm going to square all these number. Okay, so here I'm going to define function define square. Here this is the argument number. Okay, now return number square by 2. I mean I'm going to apply power of every I mean each element by 2. So here I got square of 2, that is 4, or you can write here square of 6, so I got 36 here. Okay, so like if you have number equals to 6 or 5, like if you have number equals to 4. Okay, then here it will return 4 to the power, where is 4, 4 to the power 4 to the power 2. or you can write like this exponential. Okay, then it will give you 16. Okay, so here this is the 4 number equals to 4, and here power of number, I got 16 in output. Okay, so here I'm going to use map applies the function to all the item in a list. Okay, so here I am doing for one element one by one, and what map will do for all item which available in the list. Okay, so here this is the list, because I have element like this in list. Okay, and map, I am going to use map and lambda argument, and this is the expression I am doing square of every element, and here element what element present in the number. Okay, number list of number. Okay, here you can see I got 1 4 9 16 25 and 36.